Good morning, dear students. We are studying the first chapter, The Nation Beckons You. And in this chapter, we have studied that how by doing different jobs, we can serve the nation. And the first page we have completed. We are moving to the next page number 4. While the Jawans protect and defend the nation, the medical professionals as well as scientists are engaged to fight a war against diseases and epidemics. So we know like the Jawans are there, they are protecting our country from the other country or the people, those who are entering from other country and they are coming to attack us and they try to protect us. But at the same time, there are scientists and professionals are there. They are protecting us from the war against the diseases and epidemics. Now you have already heard about the coronavirus, and the scientists of our country already have developed a vaccine against this coronavirus, and they are trying to inject it, and people are trying to get away from this one. So the problem will be there. So, but the problem can be changed. So and also for protecting the people from. So they are using different methods in order to understand how the changes are taking place for the virus and how to prevent this virus. So there are so many methods and all are developed and they are doing. So these are the works of. So they are helping us to protect from these type of viruses and other sicknesses and problems and so on. You could enroll yourself in armed forces or paramilitary forces and serve the nation. So if you are interested, you can get registered for becoming as a member of armed force or paramilitary forces to serve the nation. The armed forces and the paramilitary forces present the shining example of unity in diversity. The soldiers serve without fear or favor, without any prejudice based on ethnic, religious, linguistic, regional or caste differences. Everyone is an Indian first and Indian last. So the people in the the Jawans are there. They are trying to protect our country against all the type of situation, especially from the enemies from other countries to attack us. So they protect us from the attack of other countries. But and also they work in unity in diversity. So the India is a country which has got a special motto of unity in diversity. So in our country we are having different religions are there, different languages are there, so many differences are there, but we all work together. And this unity can be exactly seen in the military forces. So these people, their Jawans are there, so they don't think whether the companion is a Muslim or a Hindu or a Christian or a Buddhist, whatever may be the religion that they are following or which state they are belonging to. So in our mind we have different separations are there. He is a Hindu, he is a Muslim, he is a Christian, you should not talk with a Christian, he should not talk with a Muslim. So such kind of some type of discriminations are. But among the Jawans, they don't have all these type of things. They all sit together, they work together, they go together. Okay. And also the linguistic differences are there. So like if I am speaking in English and I am belonging to Kerala, my mother tongue is Malayalam, and you are belonging to UP, and most of you are speaking Bhojpuri or Awadhi or Hindi, all these are your mother tongue. But we don't have any kind of problems are not there. Or in the Jawans are there, they are also they are working together. Belonging people, like if you consider the Jawans, some people from Kerala will be there, some people from Tamil Nadu, some people from Assam, some people from Orissa, some people from Punjab, some people from UP, some from Jammu Kashmir. So people from different areas are coming. People belonging to different religions are coming. People belonging to different castes. You know, so some may be of lower caste, some may be middle class, some may be upper class. Different caste people are there, but they don't consider all these things and they work together. So that is the unity in diversity. In times of calamities like floods, hurricanes, landslides, avalanches, forest fires, etc., the Jawans are thrust into service. They work selflessly. They serve the nation with the utmost sincerity, thus protecting it from all external threats as well as internal calamities. So they don't not only just work at the borders protecting other people to enter into our country, or not only that, but they also work to fight against the problems or any calamities, like if a flood situation is there. So at that time they come to help. If there is any landslides, avalanches, hurricanes, or any type of these natural calamities take place, so at that time they can come and rescue the people, save the people, help the people to fight against this type of problems. So they protect us from the external forces. So if any Pakistani is entering into our country, or if a China person is entering into our country, then they try to protect, defend them. And also they help us to be internal calamities also within our country. If there are any problems, like we see, like coronavirus situation is there, so if it goes like Kumbh Mela is taking place, so then in order to take care of these people, the army people are going there, and they will try to protect the people there. Okay, so whatever may be the problems taking place within the country, they will try to help us in order to defend the situations. You could be a sports person or athlete to serve the nation. Sports and games which are considered necessary to build up strong bodies and healthy minds are being pursued as an integral part of school curriculum. They develop a sportsman spirit and power of endurance. They cultivate values of honesty, respect, patience, tolerance, and sense of fellowship. Above all, sports and games ease tension and give entertainment. They also build a strong national character. Talented sportsmen and women are the pride of the nation today. You could be after becoming a sports person, so you can become a sports star and serve the nation. So you see, like first of all, maintaining a good health itself is a service. So means that the country need not to spend money on the people. So if I am healthy, so the country need not to spend money on me for taking care of my health. So see, like sometimes the government is providing us some facilities. Like imagine that it is the situation of coronavirus, and the government is providing us the vaccine. So we have to go and take the vaccine. So that is our duty, and we are cooperating with the government for fighting against the calamities or problems. Okay, or we have to participate. We have to create a healthy body. Okay, so we should do exercise, we should take a part in the sports, and so we are in our school curriculum, we are having some drill period is there, and we have some kind of activities are there, games are there, so we conduct also sports competitions, and since we are having only online classes, we cannot do all these type of things, but when there are regular classes, we conduct all these things, and this will help the people to be healthy, and also they relax the mind. See, like you are sitting in the class for 5 hours, you will get tired, but if you go out and you get a chance to walk around, you will get a chance to play, then your mind and body will get relaxed. So if you have a lot amount of tension, you have a lot amount of problems, so those problems can be avoided by games. Sports and games help us to be relaxed mind. Okay, you could be a farmer, a businessman, or IT professional to serve the nation. Mining, farming, and engineering work require tough manual labor. Farming feeds the masses of the country. Mining brings fuel like coal for industries. Gold and diamond mining brings wealth to the nation. Oil exploration brings in petroleum products. Job opportunities in the field of information and technology are soaring high as information keeps one conscious and enlightened to fulfill the demand of the present times. Avenues are many and opportunities are plenty. Your motherland beckons you to serve the nation. So we know that, see, like whatever may be the job that we are doing, even if you are a farmer, if you are a businessman, if you are an IT professional, whatever may be the job that you are doing, if you are a farmer, if a farmer is making the food items, like if one who is making wheat, cultivating wheat, so wheat is required for us, it is the food required for all the human beings in the country. So it is also kind of a service to the nation, because there are so many people, those who are unable to make, they don't have land, they don't have time to work in the field and make wheat So it is not possible that every people will be sowing their own seeds and make it. See, like we are working in the school, we don't have land, we don't have facilities to cultivate. So what we have to do is that we have to purchase rice, we have to purchase wheat, we have to purchase all the things. So the farmers are making these things and giving to us, isn't it? So most of the people, those who are doing other jobs, like your parents may be there, they may be doing some kind of service there, maybe government servants are there, or private service may be there, or any other private jobs may be there. So they may not have time to go and work in the field and make it. But there are farmers, those who are working hard and making the rice, making wheat, making vegetables, and if these things are not there, we cannot survive, isn't it? So these are the most essential things that are required for us. Or like mining, okay, or preparing like mining like a gold or a diamond and all. So these type of things will bring wealth to the nation, or petroleum and other type of things are there. So they are bringing up these things. So whatever may be the job that the people are doing, they are doing service to the nation. Or information technology, like IT field that people are working. So that will also be providing better opportunities. So they help, like we have a lot amount of, see, like in this situation, now coronavirus situation is there, we don't have regular classes are not there. So we need to have online classes. So these type of classes or these type of things can be made possible only with the help of IT professionals. IT, information technology, is required for making. So softwares have to be made, or a website has to be created, and the video has to be uploaded, or classes can be watched. So we are able to do all these type of things with the help of the IT profession. So whatever may be the job that we are doing, so there are plenty of avenues, plenty of opportunities are there, and avenues are many and opportunities are plenty. So many opportunities are there. So your motherland beckons you to serve the nation. So the motherland beckons you, invites you to serve the nation. So it is our duty to serve the nation, and it doesn't mean that you have, once you only become a Jawan or only become a military force member, then only you can serve the nation. Not like that. So whatever may be the job that we are doing, we should do it in a best possible manner. So such a way we will be able to serve the nation. Okay. So that is enough for today. So the remaining portion we study in the next class. Thank you so much.